How's it going, guys? Hope you're all doing well. If you couldn't tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, today we're going to be installing some camouflage seat covers. Not only are we installing the camouflage seat covers, we also got ourselves a camouflage steering wheel cover, because why not? I actually had these in my old 2016 Silverado crew cab, if y'all who are watching weren't here for that. So that was one of the things I was really excited about getting this truck, because I knew I was going to be able to put these to use again. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing today. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into that. All right, first step is removing the headrest, which it's been a little bit since I've done this. Yep. These are a lot easier to get out than on the 99 to 07s. Now, I'm just going to show the portion of me putting the covers on, and once I get all the covers on, I'll explain how they're strapped on the underside. All right, so now that we got, everything put on, we got to undo this little piece on the back of the seat so we can help pull the front of this seat cover and the back of the seat cover and the seat cover itself, pull those straps and stuff through, so then we can run those little cords to clip on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to this one and that one, and then I'll catch up with y'all for the back seats. All right, we got the front seats done, and it's starting to rain, so we gotta hurry up. Same as before. I want to go ahead and take care of the steering wheel cover. Pop this out. And to make sure that we have a better chance of slipping it on there, too much grief, we're going to wipe down the steering wheel. You can usually wipe this down with like a antibacterial wipe, but since I actually have leather wipes on hand, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. Ugh, that's nasty. Wipe that down. There we go. Yeah, like this. Yep, there we go. Might have to play with it a little bit, but there we go. They're set. Since the rain's let up a little bit, go ahead and try to get back into this. That is done. Today's video. I'm super excited to be able to use these seat covers again. I spent like 500 bucks on them just when they sit in storage for 2 years. Like, I just glad to be able to use them again. We'll have a truck that can use them. And from some of the shots that I use, like the little cinematic shots of the seat covers and everything, was I recorded it in a cul-de-sac on the other side of my neighborhood, and one of the neighbors walked out and was asking me what I was doing. So in efforts to freak nobody out, or not freak anybody out, I ended up coming back to my house there's not too many good places to record anything around here, so I got to make do with what I got. So, but yeah, guys, I think they look great. It's one of those things, you either love them or you hate them. I don't really think there's any in between with camo seat covers. It's definitely an acquired taste. I like them, so. But with that being said, that is going to be it for today's video. Y'all definitely stay posted for more content to come with this truck. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.